Diana. Okay, great. Here's a song for you, Diana. Now the day is almost gone. I was close to logging off, but then something caught my eye. Running out of curl, you are my pretty kind of girl. Too far away to hear me cry. There's one thing I need to tell you. At first I was just happy that you were the naked guy, yeah. Diana, and now I see that. Diana, I had a floppy disk that you turned into a hard drive. Diana, I love you so. Try to let me be your man, and I'll make sure that I can shower you with affection. There'll be many miles apart. I'm sure that this could be the start of our internet love connection. There's one thing I need to tell you. No, Diana, I wrote I love you chili cause I know you're hot and spicy. Diana, I love you so. If I take you on a date, you will not be cold and icy. Diana, an awesome ride. Feels like a golden trigger. Took a screenshot of my heart. Now the screen is getting bigger. I know that this is sudden, but I gotta ask you something. Diana, I need to know. And if I get down on one knee and presented you the one ring, would you marry me? No, no, no. We know that he really, really loves you. He really, really loves you. We know that he really, really loves you. Really, really loves you. We know that he really, really loves you. Really, really loves you. We know that